Alright, welcome to Unoya Consultants, where we're going to look at Excel lessons for CountIf as well as for SumIf. Now, you might have a table such as the one here where you're looking at the different data for number of employees, managers and offices, and each one has a figure that it has, and there's a total, as you can see here, for the number of employees right at the end of it, and the total for the offices right at the end of it, and you want to be able to sum this for each particular region. Now, this is a very simple and short lesson. To do this, we use the SumIf. So our SumIf, let me make sure that it's SumIf there, has range, criteria and sum range. So the range, you're going to pick the range that you want to use, and the criteria that we want to use is region 1. Make sure your criteria is exactly the same as the regions here. Then you also want to pick the sum range, which is basically the column that have the different sums that you want. So we pick that, put our bracket. So we've selected criteria, sum range, as well as the entire range. Press enter, and there you go. That's the total for region 146. I do my autofill, and everything is in with the totals. Now for the CountIf, you basically want to count how many regions there are within your data. So in the same way, there's the range and the criteria. So you highlight the range that you want, which is basically that. Put your comma, then you're looking for the criteria, and your criteria in this case is region 1. Close brackets. Autofill your formula, and once you autofill your formula, we've already counted for each particular region. So if, for example, your data was to change and this became region 3, this automatically changes here as well as the count. If this was region 4, this also changes, and you have the totals, and it also changes the count. So that's your CountIf and your SumIf. Thank you.